Back out at the house in Clearwater today to take a look at the flooring. It's been going in for the last couple of days. Look. Oh yeah, looking good. Once we get the baseboard in, 5¼ inch baseboard all the way around, it's really going to make this room pop. It's really going to be sophisticated looking, I think. We're a long way from being finished, but then next is going to be new appliances, new countertops. We're going to build an island here. Probably going to double up the size of this. These cabinets here. Put countertop, bar stools, come around. So yeah, so that's it. And then out here, we're going to be doing a feature wall here with a bump out with fireplace and TV on that wall, and then shiplap going across like that, which is gonna really be nice with the way these shutters are. It's gonna flow really nicely over there. So I'm looking forward to that. It's getting closer every day.